Hello everyone, so in this video, we're going to be reviewing the Cerave Soothing Body Wash for dry skin. So basically, this is a product that helps you with your dry skin, making it oilier or smoother for your health. So they claim that they have hydrating ingredients, eczema skincare, 3 essential ceramides, I don't know what that means, developed with dermatologists, Cerave body wash for dry and sensitive skin. So they're actually rated 4.0 out of 5 stars. And let's head on over down to the reviews right here. So as you can see, a lot of people are saying that it is worth it, does what it says. Gross, but they rated it 4 stars. This stuff is unique, a rare mistake from Cerave, seems to do what it says, blah blah blah. And if we head on over here to Reddit, a lot of people are actually saying that it is really good, must try for a combination to oily skin people. So a lot of people are also saying that it's really good. Hey, I'm a guy dealing with oily skin, occasional pimples, blah blah blah. But what matters is that it delivers on its promises. So this product actually delivers what it is they intended it to do. So I've been using it for 1 year. I like the consistency, does the job, and doesn't cause any problems for my oily, acne-prone skin. So this product is pretty legit. So if you have sensitive skin or dry skin, you should try and consider using this product since it is very good. A lot of people are saying that it is. So yeah, that is basically it. So if you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing.